Hi, today I'm here for explaining boiling and evaporation. You know, after receiving heat from the nature or any other place, the liquid, the particles of liquid start moving. And this is a bit comparative. Every particles of liquid has its own attraction, intermolecular forces. If the moving is faster than the particular forces, only then the boiling point, the boiling activities work, and the liquid start moving to the air and turn into the gaseous materials. So the question of, there is an internal firing. That's why, there is no particular boiling point. That is comparative matters. If a liquid has a more attraction, more intermolecular forces or more loving, so more heat need to be applied for overcoming the attraction and make it gaseous substance. So as the liquid is denser, the boiling point is higher. So you understand, basically boiling point is making liquid into the gaseous procedure. But evaporation is a bit different from the boiling, same process. After receiving the heat, all part of the liquid don't become same fasting. Some part, the internal part of the liquid being pressurized with the another liquid, internal part of the particles of the liquid don't move so faster as the surface liquid start working. Over the surface liquid, only the atmospheric pressure is existing. So having less pressure over the surface materials of the liquid has extra tendency of being disappeared to the nature or gases, turn into the gaseous materials. So that's why evaporation held at the surface. It could be defined that as evaporation held over the surface. So, if a pond is very big pond, its surface is very bigger. As the surface is bigger, so evaporation would be held very quickly. That's why the pond whose mouth is very little and the pond whose mouth is very big, the evaporation not held in a equal, because having the big, and evaporation is the process that is held invisibly, when you cannot see any rigorous movement of water at the time of being disappeared into gaseous materials. Evaporation held very gently. So what is last of all, what is the conclusion? Boiling and evaporation, same process. Only the location, evaporation held over the surface and boiling held in the whole body of the liquid. And I want to mention again and again that liquid, the fighting between the being gathered and fighting between the being separated. Who first in the question of being separated? Basically heat, the application of heat, the insert of heat make the things shattered, make the things separated, disintegrated and turn into the gaseous materials. Thank you very much.